She know you believe the journey travel you. Anything for you. Only me, cover you. Now, guys, I just want to show you guys something, right? All right, so hope I'm recording. Yeah, I'm recording. I just saw you go for it. Yeah, just Lord of Jesus. Yeah. Rich soul. How far now? Yeah, bless up, bro. Yeah, it's nice seeing your faces. Like I always get joy when I see on our face. They give me joy. Tell me what's up now. You just did your room lonely. What's up now? On a very good Sunday. Big times. Noel, how far now? Is it Emmanuel? Is it Danuel? What's the name, fam? Babylon, Babylon. Is. It's a Sunday. What are you guys doing? Like, and I just there house. Me and Osiwema. All right. As I was explaining earlier concerning A+ setups, right? Now, this is V75. This is what V75 is doing, right? We have a protected eye on V75, and then what I want to see on V75, if I'm to take this trade, now V75 is supposed to, sell all the way down here, right? But it hasn't done that yet. It's giving it's giving an A+ structure, which is this. We have a sweep of liquidity here. Which automatically makes this a protected eye. Only if we see something like this. Boom. Now, anything that makes price come back where? Come back here. It's a big. Right. If price does this, right? Does this. Like, I mean, take out this low. Remember, we already have a sell starting from here. And it's supposed to come all the way down here. But then price is giving these vibes. It has done the swept liquidity, then produced like a structural liquidity here to be taken out. And we have what? We have this supply level here on the 5 minutes. Then price does this. Boom. Then you see like a confirmation here. This is the kind of trade you don't want to miss. You see a confirmation here after price takes out this. Okay. That's if this happens, though. That's if this happens. Then you see a confirmation here. Bro, go all in. Go all in. Go all in. Risk it. Go all in. Go all in. Do you get my point? All right. All right. So, hey, see, we just chilling. It's one kiwi. V250S, V100 at PY. Okay, let's look at V250S. Let's look at V100. Then maybe later we'll look at currency pair. inside me. If you are not Nigerian, if you are an American or any country close to non-American, if you can't understand the words that are coming out of my mouth, if you can't understand what I speak, if you can't understand my accent, I apologize. You can, let me know. I will try to restructure my speech. How would you know that's a confirmation? It's only 5 minutes now. Confirmation entry. I'm Nigerian in Canada. That doesn't count. Burning brand. Plutomania. Though I will speak Pluto language for you. What was that from Pluto? It's days. About this week, let's make bands, please. Let's make bands. Let's make bands. All right. Someone said 250S is in PY. Where is that? Now, this is what I was anticipating on the. Yeah, this week synthetic. I mean, last week synthetic was trash. Was trash. Investor Semudiam, please, can you clear the screen? All right, so price took out this guy, and I had a sell setup on V250S, but price never came back there. So it just left without me. It just like sold off completely without me. So which demand zone do you choose from 5 minutes if you have other demand zone in your POI? If I have multiple demand levels on my POI, I choose the one that hasn't been mitigated yet. Now, guys, look at what V75 is doing, just like I had predicted. This is live, guys. This is live. I remember that saying, I don't have money to fund till tomorrow. Guess I won't be taking this trade. So once V75 takes out this guy, just be ready for price to come back here. And price might not come back. Price might not come back, and it might come back. We don't know yet. But sometimes price will just. And I like the fact that whenever I'm teaching something and it's playing live right in front of my eyes, it always gives me joy. I think better relocate. Even if you are good with the guns in the shape, me that first you go back someone with me, I know the try but try me first. My gestures, that thing, and that's 17, you go take that, you go with it, my many my bro, with it, my red, all right, so V75 is about to take out in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh yeah, now. Don't mind, I just do shakara. It take it out, sha. To take it out. So once it does this, once it takes out this, right? Once it takes it out, this low, I'm going to be waiting for price to come here. Then I wish I could risk good amount of money on this trade, because these are the kind of trades that I like looking out for. So if you don't know about A+ setup, this is an A+ setup. This is an A+ setup. If it doesn't play out, fine. It's fine. I mean, it's 50-50. Trading is 50-50. Do you get? I want to go play to go to. Go to my guy now. Go to my guy. Now I go come next now on track. V10 is approaching POI. Let me see. V10, yeah, V10 is approaching POI. But now, do you know that this is not an A+ setup on V10? This is not an A+ setup. It's not an A+ setup. But you can still take it. So yeah, sometimes it plays out. So yeah. Okay, now V75 has taken out this guy. V75 has taken out this guy. Clear. I don't wanna call. It has taken it out. So once price comes back here, bro. Once price comes back here, they pay me some fee. I'm supposed to take this trade, though. Supposing I follow with my color like this and that. How do you know A plus setup? Bro, we are literally looking at an A plus setup live. This is it now. Price comes here, takes out this guy, tap into this supply level, then sells off, but then creates a sweep here, creates a liquidity here to be taken out later, and then price takes it out, and then boom, takes out this one next. Takes out this guy next. Tap into this place. And mind you, sometimes price will not come into this supply level. It happens a lot sometimes. Price might not come into the supply level because you already know that okay, price is already selling off from here. So price just created the structural levels to just like wick it out. Price might just do something like wick it out and sell off. Do you understand? So, but this is a trade that I would bank on. So, guys, fund your account. If you have if you trade synthetics, fund your account. This will be a good sell. All right. But if it does not come back, no wahala. But it shall come back one day. And this will be the target. This will be the target. So if I'm taking losses, it's not like I don't know what I'm doing. It's just maybe sometimes the trade is not an A plus. You don't really get to see A plus setups every time. Every time. You don't see A plus setups all the time. But when you see it, you take advantage of it. Same thing I did with V25 when I did $150 to $10,000, right? It was exactly the same thing. Yeah, exactly the same. I don't know if I can go back to check. Exactly the same thing. So these are the kind of trades that I want to be sending out as signals henceforth. These are the kind of trades. Is it a must for structural liquidity to be below sweep of liquidity? Yeah, I think so. I think so. I think so. All right, guys. Look at what this thing is doing now. So mind you, it has already taken out this guy. It has taken it out. So it might just come here, boom, then start selling off. Let's say I want to start with $5. What will be the lot per trade? V75, the lowest lot size on V75 should be 0.0005 or something. Or 0001. I don't know. Let me check. Let me check. V75. Yeah, correct. 0.001. 0.001. That's the minimum lot size. That's the minimum lot size. Anyway, I just yeah, that's the minimum lot size. So yeah, 0.001. So if you want to stack and you have $5, your margin should be around $2 or $3 to be on the safe side. If you go above $3 or $2.5, bro, it's very, 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 very risky. Because I bet V50 and V100S potential swing. Now V100S is swinging. V100S is swinging. We already missed the swing entry, which was this. This was the entry. Bro, if you took a trade from here, the lowest, see, with the lowest this thing, capital, let's say I'm using $5 capital, it should be up around, if not $400 now. Because I personally, if I had taken this trade, I'll be up 20K now. It's $100. So which means if you are using, and that's with full margin, you know, I like going full margin a lot. So now look at what's happening on V100S. We had a sweep of liquidity here, quite all right. Abi? Then we add the structural liquidity. Now look at what's happening. Price is selling off, right? Price is selling off, which means, man, this thing is going to sell. probably sell all the way down here to trigger something around here, to continue buying. So, but if I had seen this, if I had seen something like this, I would have considered taking this sell. But remember, it's an uptrend though, so this is risky. Trading against the trend is risky. Do you get? So this is an A plus setup. When you have like an extension, I don't even understand what I'm saying. How the price just weak out and sell? I don't understand that question though. All right, price has taken it clearly. Like I really want to see like a candle close below this. Then I want to see a candle back into the structure. Then sell off. That's what I'm looking out for. I'm fundless right now. Can you help us send the lot size? I think I've sent it before already. I've sent it several times. I've already sent several times in this inner circle, in the mentorship group. I've sent them a lot. So check. Hey God, oh, I'm so tired. Now I want to see what Victor wants to do here. Holy Ghost fire, supernatural, boost my confidence. All right, this is where Victor will start selling. If he's going to sell, Victor will start selling here. Now, those in my inner circle will complaining that this, that. You tend to have more setups when I'm sending chart setups than when I'm calling trades out, because me like this trade now, I will not take it. But I could have sent this setup out. Okay, that this is a possible sell opportunity on V10. But right now I'm not taking it. But you could take the trade and you could make money from it. So I don't know what you people want. Yeah, trading against the market. So please, V100S is in a big buy trend. You shouldn't be trading against it. You shouldn't even be considering taking a sell right now. We have this. Price might as well easily do something like this. Just tap into this place and continue buying. That's how insane a trend can be. Just it will look for the slightest opportunity. All right, is this up to 50% from year to year? Not exactly, but do we have a demand level here? Bring the guitar. I'm telling we should bring down fire. We should bring 5 minus 1. This looks like a good confirmation for a buy. Oh. I won't even lie. This looks like a good confirmation for a buy. I need your love. Why? Because we have a sweep of liquidity here. This is a protected low. Sure. Now, this can be considered as a structural liquidity. Okay, now this is a weak rejection. This is a weak rejection, indicating that chances of this continuing to go back to the upside is slim, but it's still a possibility. This is how I trade, basically. Like, this is how I trade. Day in, day out. This is how I trade. Live. Oh, this is 250s. What the fuck am I doing? That's 250s. This shit will keep selling. So keep selling. I thought I was analyzing V100s. So V2 is likely going to come here. Most likely going to come here. What I'm interested in right now is this V75 trade. V75 trade. I want to see this play out live. I want to see it play out live, so that people will understand, because a lot of people don't understand how to do top-down analysis. Come here, waiting, they worry. And also, you will notice where this thing is coming from. This cell, where this cell is coming from, right? Let me show you where this cell is coming from. This cell right here. Look at what happened. We had a sweep of liquidity here. We had a structural liquidity here. We have a protected eye here. So this is where the cell is coming from. So it came from here. Now it's coming from here again. So I want to see this come to this POI. Then let me see what happens. BTC USD. You will trade BTC USD. Anyway, let me look at it. Please help me out. BTC. Come here, waiting the warrior. Everybody make a rock on, yeah. I know you see me. Like I said, money pass here. So it's not yet. We'll feed you for you. Why you want it to go? Say you be kids and me. You better drop your body. Now, one thing about BTC, crypto is, I don't really, crypto is not so predictable, because it's based on sentiments. You get, like, someone will just wake up, decide to buy 50 billion crypto for no reason. So I'm free with this body, baby, I go. Baby, you know me, you better go where I go. Come make a drive you, come make a drive so loud. If you want to see so this is the monthly time frame. Price just took out this guy and then created a new high. Why you want it? It created a new high. So let's see what's happening on the weekly time frame. You better drop your body. So whenever price does this, take out this person, this previous high, create a new high, and then tank back inside. There's a likely possibility that price might do something like this. Likely, right? Then this becomes a resting liquidity that price might be interested in taking out later, but it might take a while. So Bitcoin might just be ranging for now, because it just hit all-time high. It just hit all-time high recently, so it might want to do some ranging. But let's see if it has anything on 4 hours time frame. From year to year, is it up to 50%? No, it's not up to 50%. So let's check. Let's check 2 hours time frame. Remember, we have a sweep of liquidity here. This is a protected low. We also have this structural liquidity here. Now I'm looking for a structural liquidity here. Or I can see one here. I can see this structural liquidity here. We have a protected low here. And why is that so? Because we have a sweep of liquidity here. So price might just come here and continue buying to the upside. Ability to catch up. All right, so so look at what's happening. We had a sweep of liquidity here, right? So this could have served as structural liquidity. So what happened? Price tapped into it, it respected it, created a structure, a buy structure, created a buy structure. Yeah. All right, created a buy structure here. So BTC might come back here, retest here, and then continue to the upside. Share again. Fast forward. So that's top-down analysis. That's top-down analysis. Now, some say V75 is going back to POI. Now, like I said, V75 should come back to this POI. Yeah, this is my point of interest. This is my own area of interest. This is where I want price to come to sell off. Right here. Come there, sell off, and I won't be taking Patricia because I haven't funded my account yet. So, but now you can see what V10 is doing. When I said V10 is not an A+ setup, this is what I mean. There'll be a lot of manipulation around here before it sells or it's it validates the structure. Do you get? So you learn from experience, Sha. You learn from experience. Modernization. Now let me listen to this song. Can you see what V10 is doing? Can you see what V10 is doing? It's trying to invalidate it because it's not an A+ setup. So, but doesn't mean I can't still wait for confirmation. Unless this candle closes with a wick inside. If it closes with a wick inside and I see something like this, a bearish engulfing candle, then it's a valid sell for me. But right now, I want to sit on my hands because it's not really giving any. V75S. All right, let's do top-down analysis on V751S. Please hope my music is not disturbing you because I can't do it out. It's therapeutic for me, She gonna write down for me. If I don't dash her money, Shawty said she gonna for me. If I don't dash her money, now you did make my head tumble. Yeah, I have this set up on the 1 hour time frame. Like this you on V10. If you look well, I carry money then I will make money come. Yeah, this one is more reliable. This one is more reliable. Money go suckers. Right, this 1 hour time frame is more reliable. So V75, I'm still waiting. Now V751S, let's see, where is V751S coming from? V751S has been buying since 10th of March, since the beginning of this month. V751S has been buying, and this is where it's been buying from. Now there wasn't really any sweep of liquidity here, and price did not take out this low. Please, who's writing on my screen? Please, can you unwrite on my screen, please? This one. Who is this? Walid. What lead? Please. I used to call they beg you, I beg. Our time is almost up, I beg. Please clear all these things that are writing on my screen, please. I beg. What lead? You know yourself, please. Walid. In fact, this is the end of the session, guys. Later things. And I hope you gon' play away today. I hope you gon' play away today. I did. How you know say I fly? So no dedicated to me, oh I'm going me. I did try. How you know they get to me, to back on me. You go like that. You just spoil you with my mind. You don't go on my mind. Go on my head, oh. Okay, yes, you're taking it out. I mean, I couldn't work with that now. Let me see if I can disable annotation. Okay, I think I've disabled it. So, yeah, file1713630754668152 is not really coming from anywhere. There's not really a sweep of liquidity and stuff. Unless I want to consider this as a liquidity, but I doubt, Sha. I doubt. Now, there is this. I'm not really seeing anything here. Okay, but price took out this guy. This could have served as structural liquidity. So if it did that, it means price is supposed to take out this low here. Price is supposed to take out this low, which it has not yet done, which means there's still a possibility for sells. So we have this as well. We had this price respected as sell. Let's check the 8 hours time frame. Price has been respecting all the sales. Okay, so we have this sweep of liquidity right here. We have this protected eye. Then we have this. I think it's safe to say we are still bearish on V751S. We had that. So price might likely come here to start selling. Let's check 4 hours time frame. You want to analyze like a detective. Let's see far. We have this sweep of liquidity right here. We have this. So I think I'm bearish on V751S. We also have this as well. Yeah. All these things are easy to identify on the chart now. It's not that difficult.